Friends, here is the first question of today's part on quadratic equation. A trader bought a number of articles for rupees 900. 5 articles were found damaged. He sold each of the remaining articles at rupees 2 more than what he paid for it. He got a profit of rupees 80 on the whole transaction. Find the number of articles he bought. Friends, a trader bought a number of articles for 900 rupees. Let the number of articles, that is equal to X, and the cost of each article be Y, and he bought the total articles for rupees 900. So the total cost will be what? Number of articles multiplied by cost of each article. So it will be XY, which is equal to 900, and therefore Y is equal to 900 upon X. Let it be equation number 1. This is the cost of each article. 900 upon X rupees is the cost of each article. Now what happened? The 5 articles were found to be damaged. So the number of articles left with him were X minus 5. And the cost of each article is 900 upon X. The cost of each article is what? 900 upon X. And he sold each article by taking 2 rupees more than that of the cost price, and therefore the selling price, that will be equal to 900 upon X plus 2, that will be the selling price. So the total amount he got after selling X minus 5 articles will be X minus 5 into another bracket 900 upon X plus 2. Now here X minus 5 are the number of articles left with him. It means he has sold X minus 5 articles, and the selling price of each article is 900 upon X plus 2, and therefore their product will give you the total amount he got, and which is equal to, that total amount he receives will be the cost of the articles plus total profit, that is 80 rupees. So this total amount will be 980 rupees. Now we will solve this. 2 brackets, multiply by X inside the bracket. So it will be X into 900, that is 900X. Then multiply by X to 2. First we will have to solve this bracket. So here this will remain as it is, X minus 5 into another bracket. X will be the LCM. So here we will multiply by X. So you will get it as 900 plus 2X, which is equal to 980. Now multiply by X inside the bracket and 5 inside the bracket. So it will be X into 900, that will be 900X. Then X into 2X, that will be 2X square plus 2X square. Now multiply by minus 5. So 9 5s are 45 minus 4500, minus plus minus, then 5 2s are 10. So it will be 10X upon this X, which is equal to 980. Now solve this further. So it will be 900X minus 10X, 900X minus 10X, that will be 890X, plus 2X square minus 4500. Take X to other side, so you will get it 980X. If you take 980X to this side, that will be minus 980X. So 890 minus 980, that will be equal to 90X. So you will get it, this is X square, so 2X square minus 90X, because you are taking this to this side, this will become minus So the sign of the bigger number will be minus, so it will be minus here, minus 90x minus 4500, which is equal to 0. Now 2 is a common factor and therefore divide by 2 throughout the equation, so you will get it as x square minus 45x with minus 2250, which is equal to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation by splitting middle term. So I hope you must be knowing how to find the factors of the quadratic equation by splitting middle term. So I directly write the factors, and that factors will be x plus 30 into another bracket x minus 75, which is equal to 0. So the product of these two brackets is 0. It means either this bracket should be 0 or this bracket should be 0. So x plus 30 should be equal to 0, or x minus 75, that is equal to 0. So solving this, we get x is equal to minus 30 and x is equal to 75. Here x is equal to minus 30 is rejected because x is the number of articles and the number of articles cannot be negative. So x is equal to 75, and so at the end you have to write the answer that number of articles, that is equal to 75. Now friends, let us move to the another question. Friends, the next question is on the screen. Some students planned a picnic. The total budget for food was rupees 2000, but 5 students failed to attend the picnic, and thus the cost of food for each member increased by rupees 20. How many students attended the picnic and how much did each student pay for the food? So friends, first we will assume that number of students is equal to x, that x students planned for a picnic, and the total budget for food was rupees 2000, total budget for 2000, and therefore the total budget, that is equal to rupees 2000, and therefore cost for each student will be equal to 2000, the total amount divided by the number of students, that is 2000 upon x. Let this be number 1. But 5 students failed to attend the picnic, and therefore the number of students that will be equal to x minus 5, and of course the total budget will be of 2000 rupees, and therefore the cost for each student, that will be equal to 2000 upon number of students, that is x minus 5. Let this be number 2. Now here the difference between this first and 2, the cost for food for each member increased by rupees 20. It means the difference between these two costs for each student is 20, and so as per the question we can write the equation that 2000 upon x minus 5 minus 2000 upon x, that is equal to 20. This difference is 20 because this increased by 20 rupees than that of the previous cost for each student. Now we will solve this, multiply by x to this side, so it will be 2000x minus, here we will multiply by 2000 by x minus 5, so it will be 2000x, and then minus into 2000, minus will be plus, and so it will be 10,000 upon x into x minus 5, which is equal to 20. Now this 2000 and x and 2000x will get cancelled, and take x into x minus 5 to this side, and it will be 10,000, which is equal to 20 x into bracket x minus 5. Here this 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and so 500, which is equal to x into x, x square, and x into 5, that will be minus 5x. So here you get the quadratic equation, that is x square minus 5x, x square minus 5x, minus 5x. Take 500 to other side, so it will be minus 500, which is equal to 0. Solve this quadratic equation by splitting the middle term. So the factors of this quadratic equation will be x minus 25 into another bracket x plus 20. So which is equal to 0, and the product of these two brackets is 0. It means this bracket is 0 or this bracket is 0, so that the product will be 0. So x minus 25 is equal to 0, or x plus 20, that is equal to 0. Solving this further, we will get the value of x as x is equal to 25 and or x is equal to minus 20. But x is equal to minus 20 will be rejected, because x is the number of students and the number of students cannot be negative, and therefore x is equal to 25. So the number of students planned for the picnic were 25, and what we have to find, the number of students attended the picnic, and therefore the number of students attended the picnic, that is equal to 25 minus 5, because 5 students could not attend the picnic, and therefore the number of students attended the picnic is equal to 20, and therefore the cost for each student will be equal to total budget, that is 2000, divided by the number of students attended the picnic, that is 20. So 20 100 that 2000, and so which is equal to 100, and so cost for each student who attended the picnic will be rupees 100. Friends, I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel, so that the notification of the newly uploaded video will reach to you and you will not miss any video. So thank you very much for watching this video.